I think the way I affected him the most was on the issue of gay liberation and the embrace of lesbians and gay people, etc., in synagogue life. Because when Alex was called upon to deliver a sermon in San Francisco, I think it was, in the midst of the AIDS crisis and so on, he really did come to me with a certain sense of, look, this is where I'm at. Where I'm at is these people can't help themselves. I don't think I'm betraying any trust. Alex has gone for the world. These people can't help themselves, so I should have compassion. And I basically said, Alex, I've been there, and no, it's not. Being gay is not something to feel sorry for or superior to, and they don't feel, except to the extent that they're pushed into the closet or pushed into an oppressed self-image. It's not like, a badge of honor that I'm heterosexual. It just so happens. And therefore you got to move into an affirmation. And you have to, the image I used was that the Jewish star contains in it the triangle. And it's not just the Holocaust that brings Jews into, not just the oppression of gay people by the Nazis. It's the whole experience of being other and of the riches that emerge from being other, and that an embrace would be good for the Jews and good for the gay community and so on. And Alex delivered, a beautiful. Alex became known as like a, Jewish rabbinical advocate of gay liberation, and I think that his open-heartedness and the fact that I was a little further along in terms of being an ally to that community was a time that I was able to give him something ideologically.